Imagine pulling up to a detailer and watching them charge you $300 for work you could do better at home for pocket change. Or worse, handing over hundreds at the shop for a complex repair that was really just a dirty sensor or dried out rubber. Millions of drivers are unknowingly throwing money away every single month because these simple, genius hacks stay hidden. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 powerful car hacks that will save you serious cash, make your car look and run better than it has in years, and keep mechanics and detailers from quietly padding their pockets. Hack number 15, Dish Soap Car Seat Deep Clean. Your fabric seats have absorbed months of spills, oils, sweat, and mystery stains that regular vacuuming barely touches. Here, the game changer most owners miss. Grab a spray bottle, add a couple drops of ordinary dish soap to warm water and shake it up. Mist the solution directly onto the stained areas. Take a stiff bristled brush and work it in with firm circular motions, pushing the solution deep into the fibers. Wipe the loosened grime away with a damp microfiber cloth and let everything air dry. Dish soap is a powerhouse degreaser built to slice through grease and organic matter, exactly what's embedded in your seats. You'll be shocked how fresh and clean the fabric looks with zero sticky residue left behind. One $2 bottle can deep clean your entire interior dozens of times. What the pros won't advertise is that their expensive upholstery cleaners are basically fancy versions of the same surfactant chemistry in your kitchen sink. You're getting identical cleaning power without the markup. Plus, breaking down those organic compounds at the source also kills the odors that linger long after the visible stains disappear. Hack number 14, Slime Steering Wheel Dust Removal. The steering wheel is one of the dirtiest spots in any car. Every crease, button, and textured grip collects dust, skin cells, and crumbs that rags and brushes can't reach. Head to the dollar store and pick up a small pack of cleaning slime. Press it firmly across the entire wheel, pushing it into every gap and groove. Slowly peel it away and watch it lift out years of built-up debris in one satisfying pull. Hit the vents, cup holders, and door panels too while you're at it. For about $2, you now have a tool that outperforms compressed air and specialty brushes with zero effort. Detailers charge big money for this deep interior work because customers think it requires expensive tools and skill. Slime does the heavy lifting instantly and works on every tricky nook in your cabin. The best part, one pack lasts for multiple full interior refreshes. Hack number 13, Shaving Cream Headlight Restoration. Cloudy, yellowed headlights don't just look bad, they seriously reduce nighttime visibility and can even get you pulled over. Squeeze a thick layer of plain white shaving cream onto each lens, spread it evenly, and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Scrub with a soft cloth in circular motions, then wipe clean and rinse. The mild abrasives and conditioning agents gently polish away surface oxidation while leaving a protective layer behind. You'll be amazed how dramatically clearer and brighter your lights become. A single $2 can restore multiple cars and lasts through several applications. Most store-bought restoration kits use the exact same principles of light abrasion and sealing, you're just skipping the fancy packaging and $25 price tag. Even better, that thin protective film slows down future yellowing. Hack number 12, Vaseline Wiper Blade Restoration. Streaking, chattering wipers turn every rainy drive into a safety hazard. Most people just replace them, but you don't have to. Take a small dab of plain Vaseline and coat both sides of the rubber edge thoroughly. Let it sit briefly, then wipe the excess and run the wipers on a damp windshield. The petroleum jelly reconditions the dried, hardened rubber, restoring flexibility and creating a smooth, streak-free wipe. A $4 jar can treat multiple sets of blades many times over. The real secret most tire shops won't say out loud is that wiper problems are almost always caused by dried rubber losing its suppleness, not actual physical wear. Hack number 11, Toothpaste Steering Wheel Scuff Removal. Scuffs, dark streaks, and grime on your steering wheel make the whole interior feel old and neglected. Put a bit of plain white toothpaste on a damp cloth and work it into the scuffed areas with firm circles. Let it dwell for a minute, then wipe clean and buff dry. The gentle abrasives lift surface marks and oxidation from leather, vinyl, or rubber without damaging the material underneath. Your wheel will look noticeably newer. One $2 tube handles the steering wheel, dash, and door panels too, turning bathroom toothpaste into a legitimate interior detailer. Hack number 10, Soap Car Key Contact Cleaning. Sticky, sluggish key fob buttons are incredibly common, and many people assume the battery is dead when it's really just grime. Rub a bar of plain soap directly over the key and fob, working it into every groove and button area. Wipe away the residue with a lightly damp cloth and dry completely. The soap lifts skin oils, lint, and pocket dirt that accumulate over time. Buttons click crisply again and the whole key looks brand new. Best of all, keeping it clean prevents moisture-trapping buildup that eventually corrodes the internal contacts and leads to expensive replacements. A $1 bar of soap prevents problems that cost $100+ to fix later. Before we continue, if you're learning something useful here, smash that like button. It really helps more drivers discover these money-saving secrets. Hack number 9, Max Button Fast AC Cooling Trick. Stepping into a scorching car in the summer feels miserable when the AC takes forever to work. Hit the Max AC or recirculation button right away. Instead of pulling in blazing hot outside air, your system recycles and rapidly cools the air already inside the cabin. You'll feel a dramatic difference in under 2 minutes. This feature is already in nearly every modern car. Most people just never use it because the labeling is unclear. You'll reach comfortable temperatures faster, put less strain on the engine. Hack number 8, WD-40 Plastic Trim Restoration. Faded, dull plastic trim makes any car look older and more worn out than it is. Spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe it evenly over dashboard, door panels, bumpers, and exterior trim. Buff off any excess. The petroleum-based formula penetrates and restores deep color and subtle shine while leaving a protective barrier. A $5 can restores your whole vehicle multiple times. Commercial trim restorers are essentially the same chemistry at several times the price. Regular use also protects against future UV fatting, keeping your car looking sharp longer. Hack number 7, Removable Cup Holder Divider Feature. Cup holders turn into disgusting crumb and sticky residue traps that seem impossible to clean. Check your center console. Most modern cars have a removable rubber insert or divider tray. Look for a small notch or simply lift it out. Wash it in the sink, clean the compartment underneath where hidden spill liquid often hides, and pop it back in, spotless in minutes. This simple factory feature eliminates that mystery sour smell and makes maintenance effortless. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure. It's there for a reason. Hack number 6, Aluminum Foil Tire Sidewall Cleaning. Brake dust and road grime turn tire sidewalls brown and dull no matter how much you scrub. Crumple aluminum foil into a tight ball, lightly dampen it or add a spritz of WD-40 and scrub the sidewalls in circles. The foil's texture and chemical reaction with oxidation and brake dust lift the grime away, revealing rich black rubber again. It's almost free and works better than many expensive cleaners. The same method also refreshes the wheel rims in the same pass. No need for fancy chemicals when your kitchen drawer has the solution. Hack number 5, Battery Reset Trick to Fix Car Electronics. Random warning lights and weird electronic glitches can appear out of nowhere. Turn off the engine, disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 15-30 minutes, then reconnect it. This resets the car's computer, clearing temporary fault codes and rebooting every system cleanly. Many mysterious lights and behaviors disappear instantly. Mechanics often do this first but still charge you for a full diagnostic. Save the $100 plus visit and try the free reset yourself. Hack number 4, Rubbing Alcohol Car Mirror Defog Treatment. Foggy, streaky side mirrors kill visibility in rain or humidity. Wipe both mirrors with rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth. It dissolves water spots, road film, and oily residue, then evaporates cleanly, leaving glass that resists fogging and streaking. A $2 bottle treats all your glass surfaces dozens of times and removes stubborn silicone buildup from car washes that regular cleaners miss. Hack number 3, Vaseline Windshield Water Repellent. Water beading and poor visibility in rain make night driving stressful. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to the outside of your windshield, work it in, then buff it off thoroughly. The remaining microfilm creates a hydrophobic effect. Rain beads up and flies off instead of smearing. It also helps fill minor scratches that cause glare. One $4 jar outperforms expensive rain-repellent sprays for a fraction of the cost. Hack number 2, Tire Chalk Wear Indicator Trick. Never get talked into new tires you don't actually need. Buy a dollar store chalk stick and draw a thick line across the full width of each tire's tread. Drive forward and back a short distance, then inspect. Even wear across the line means good alignment and inflation. Uneven wear tells you exactly what to fix early, saving you from premature tire replacement that can cost hundreds. Hack number 1, Clean MAF Sensor Fuel Savings Trick. Sluggish performance and terrible gas mileage often trace back to one easily fixed part. Locate the mass airflow sensor in the air intake tube after the air filter. Carefully remove it and spray with dedicated MAF sensor cleaner, about $6. Let it dry fully, then reinstall. A dirty sensor sends bad data to the computer, causing rich fuel mixtures, hesitation, and wasted gas. Cleaning it often restores 10–15% better economy and smooths out the engine. Mechanics love charging $150+ for this quick job. You can do it yourself in minutes and keep the savings. There you have it, 15 powerful, practical car hacks that put real money back in your pocket and make maintaining your vehicle way easier. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video saved you time or cash, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next money-saving car secret. Your car will thank you, and your wallet definitely will. Now click the next video on screen. It's packed with even more tricks that keep your ride looking and running like new for years. See you there.